Older thermostats, like this Honeywell IAQ, will show an alert message to let you know when new batteries are needed. Changing these is as simple as push down on the top tab, lift the faceplate off and turn around, replace all 4 AA batteries at the same time, even if some seem newer. Replace the faceplate on the hinge and snap in place, and you're done. New thermostats, like the Honeywell Prestige, use a small button or watch battery in the unit that, in the event of a power outage, will extend the charge. This battery lasts up to 5 years and is easy to replace. Unsnap the faceplate, open the battery cover, and change.